In today's video, we are cooking jollof rice with fish using basmati rice. A very warm welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing very well. I am also cooking very good. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. In a pan, heat some oil on a medium heat, and once the oil is heated, add your smoked mackerel fishes cut into small sizes and fry for about 6 minutes on a high medium heat. After the 5 minutes, kindly take out all the fishes from the pan and set it aside. Using the same oil, add minced onions and fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. After 3 minutes, add in the tomato paste and fry it for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. During this 5 minutes, be sure not to burn the tomato paste by checking it and giving it a stir from time to time. This is because when you burn the tomato paste, you will just spoil everything and your jollof rice wouldn't come out so nice as I am expecting you to get. Go in with some pepper mix and give it a stir to mix. This pepper mix consists of some onions, peppers, ginger, and some garlics. After stirring it, cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat and make sure you keep checking it from time to time to prevent your stew or your base from burning. After about 2 minutes, go in with your blended fresh tomatoes and give it a very good stir. Now cover and allow the stew to simmer for roughly 10 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, yummies, it's time to add in your spices. Add your spices gently and give this a very good mix. Now, in this recipe, I am using blended cumin seeds, blended fennel seeds, blended coriander seeds, some curry powder, bay leaves, and some seasoning powder. Add some salt to taste and give this a very good mix. Now cover it to simmer for about 5 minutes. At this stage, the aroma of the stew is just so amazing. I add in a tin of mackerel in tomato sauce and give it a good stir. Now I'm going to cover it once again for just 3 minutes. Taste for the salt and adjust it to your preference, and at this point the stew is just perfect for some rice or banko with okra. I took some out to be used later and then go in with the basmati rice. Okay, I want to put a little disclaimer here that washing rice is a calling from God. If the calling of God is not on you to wash rice, hey, yummies, trust me, you won't do it. So after adding the rice to the stew, I stir for every grain of the rice to be well coated with the stew and then cover it for about 3 minutes. Come back, give it a stir, and after 5 minutes I added in hot water. Give it a very good stir, add some seasoning to it, but you can use salt if that is what you want. Give it a very good stir once again and cover it on a low heat to simmer till all the water is well evaporated. And once there is no trace of water in the rice, I give it a very good stir and cover it with some baking sheet. You can as well use aluminium foil or napkin if that is what you want. So this is after 15 minutes of cooking the rice on the very low heat, and the rice is almost done. It is about 98% done. Okay, I'm going to cover it once more and then we go ahead and proceed with the mackerel fish. Now in a pan, I melt some coconut oil and add in the vegetables. Now you can use any vegetables of your choice. Then I added in the fried mackerel. I nearly finished the mackerel fish. Now I sprinkle a little bit of salt on it and saute this vegetables fish for just 2 minutes. So yummies, the rice is done now and you can see how beautiful it is. Although today my camera messed up with me, I don't know why. So I add in the vegetables and the fish and give this a very good mix. Look at that. If today is the first time on this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you take an inspiration from this video and give this a try. Now I cover it and let it, steam for just 2 minutes. Add in the spring onions off the fire. Give it a very good stir and enjoy your jollof rice with fish. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, my upcoming subscribers for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers!